The interior of this lovely ranch will absolutely wow you. The open floor plan is perfect for seamless entertaining all year round. Sunlit living room opens to the dining area. The huge kitchen offers granite counters, gas cooking, a stunning backsplash and a breakfast bar. Enjoy warm summer breezes from the family room with walls of windows, skylights, a gas fireplace, and a vaulted beam ceiling. 3 spacious bedrooms, a full bath with a marble countertop and linen closet, and a laundry area finish off the first floor. An unfinished basement is great for storage or to turn into your workshop space. We can't forget to mention the Kohler generator. You will be the ultimate summer hangout with your kidney-shaped pool and step-down patio offering plenty of seating options. Located right off Route 6 just minutes away from Wareham River, Route 28, Wareham High and Middle, and the brand new elementary school opening in the fall. This opportunity will be gone in the blink of an eye. Schedule is showing now.